Tired of juggling multiple platforms to get paid? Let's simplify your life and link PayPal with Payoneer in under 90 seconds. First, head over to Payoneer and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to sign up. The link is in the description below for easy access. Once you're logged in, look for the Receive tab. It might be labeled Global Payment Service or something similar depending on your account type. Click on it. Now, locate the Request a Payment option. This might be displayed prominently or tucked away in a drop-down menu. Select it. This will take you to a form where you'll need to fill in the invoice details. Enter the amount you want to receive, the currency USD, EUR, GBP, etc., and a brief description of the payment. Make sure all the details are accurate. This is crucial for a smooth transaction. Double-check the amount, the currency, and the description. Once you're confident with the information, click the Send Request button. This will generate a payment link. Copy the payment link that Payoneer generates. This is the link you'll use in PayPal. Now, log into your PayPal account. Click on Send and Request, then choose to pay or send money. Paste the Payoneer payment link you copied earlier into the email or phone field and continue with the payment process. Follow the prompts to complete the payment. Once the payment is processed in PayPal, the funds will be deposited into your Payoneer account. It's that simple. Congratulations! You've successfully linked PayPal with Payoneer. Now you can receive payments from PayPal directly to your Payoneer account, making international transactions a breeze.